Locks in moisture. Our moisturizing hand gloves are perfect for use with your favorite hand cream or lotion to keep hands moisturized. Great for any hand repair kit. The absorbent and breathable cotton gloves will keep your hands cool and comfortable, even while sleeping overnight. After applying your favorite lotion, cream, moisturizer or ointment, simply slide the gloves on to maximize absorption and promote healing for dry, cracked skin. Reusable. These gloves are reusable and can be washed with gentle detergent for your next use. Perfect for those with dry hands and a tight budget. The high-quality material will stay intact and is built to stay durable over time so that you can save your hands and save your money. High quality. These gloves are designed to seal in moisture and are made with 95% cotton and 5% spandex material so that you can get the breathability of cotton with the stretch and comfort of spandex. Our high-quality material is built to last so that you can enjoy these gloves time and time again. One size fits most. One size fits most for optimal convenience. With a defined left and right hand and slightly stretchable material, these soft and lightweight gloves for dry hands are perfect for every member of your family. Top reviews from the United States. Great for recouping hands at night. I work the whole day with harsh material, paint and stucco and a lot of washing with soaps. By the end of the day my hands are old and tired. I do add little moisture cream before I put my gloves on at night. In the mornings they feel great, soft and ready for the next day.